Hi guys, here I am in a really beautiful spot off the beaten track and away from tourists and visitors. I think, I'm pretty hidden where I am. And where I am is basically in a river stream. In front of me, just over this side, is a waterfall. And it's just flowing into a little river, and it's really, really green here. You can see all different kind of colours of green, and so I thought this would be a great spot to do some sketching this morning and try and capture some of the summer greens that are now coming out. So I'm going to be videoing different aspects of this, hopefully give you a good picture of what it's like here. I'm hoping that I won't get bitten to death. There are quite a lot of midges around and I'm by water, so I could end up with lots of bites from today. Anyway, it is really, really peaceful here. You've got the river obviously babbling away, and you've got the birds, and it's beautiful and green and quiet and undisturbed. So hopefully I won't be, I won't have to move or anything. I'll just have to sketch and enjoy the area. So at the moment I am just putting down some base colours, and I'm using my Neocolor 2, and I'm also using my Inktense pencils as well. So that's what I'm doing at the moment, is just putting some base colours down. This is how it looks before I add the water, and basically I've just put down the shapes, some of the colours, trying to get the values down. So I've got some lighter areas there, also some darker areas. So this is my base, and so it'll look quite different when I add the water now. And I'm going to use my fingers, I think, to spread out the colour. You can see that because I've used my fingers, it's a lot more softer, and I really love actually all of these colours together. I think they're beginning to really capture the colours that I'm seeing in this spot. I'll work on this then with the dry media, so the crayons, my pencils, the luminance and the intense pencils, just to now add more of the detail and more of the texture. But you can see how easily you can build up a base quite quickly and just capture those areas of dark and light, and obviously the colours as well. So I added the extra details. I actually used the intense pencils a lot. And the luminance.